Due to privacy concern, there are many applications on iPhone which requires your authentication before you open the application, like your passcode or Face ID, mainly or mostly the financial application. So whenever we install any application which requires our Face ID, authentication, we try to give access, right? So there are multiple applications for which we use our Face ID, and at the end we don't know which application is using our Face ID as authentication, and if you want to disable a particular application from using our Face ID, we don't know how to do it. So in this video, don't worry, we'll tell you how to disable or how to find out which applications are using our Face ID and how to disable them. Talking about how to do it is very easy method. Okay, so in your iPhone, do one thing, go to setting application, open settings. In setting, scroll down and find out Face ID and passcode option. Open that by entering your phone password or iPhone passcode. Once you open that, at initial only you will find multiple options there, and at the bottom there is an option called other apps. Just tap on that and open it, and here it will display all the applications which are using our Face ID as a access or authenticated access. So here, from here you can choose to disable them, so that application next time won't ask a Face ID or won't use a Face ID as a authenticator to access. Okay, so here it will show you which apps are using a Face ID, and you can disable and enable them as well. So I hope it was a helpful video for you. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone solutions and iPhone update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.